What the hell? Hey, welcome to Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. My name is Jay, and you gotta check this out. Now what you're looking at here is a sweet little monster trail bike that started off life as a 1983 Honda 3-wheeler. And you know what? The thing was doing pretty fine in life on the 3 wheels until last winter when it ran into my dad, and he had a sawzall in one hand and a welder in the other. So we spent the winter working out the fabrication and the mechanics of the whole thing, and then I came in later in the spring and teamed up on the paint and bodywork. Now the thing turned out so dang slick that I had to grab some video to share with y'all. Now if you're getting a kick out of what you see here, stick around and we'll have a little bit of a slideshow of the build later on in the video. Now unfortunately, I didn't have a camera during the build, so all I have are a bunch of pictures from my crappy phone for this week's video. But don't worry, I'm currently building another one of these bad boys, and I have my camera rolling full time, so I've got some wicked stuff to show you next week. Alright, so sit back for a bit and enjoy the ride. Hey, if you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to click the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or my website, BigfootBikesandBrews.com, for some exclusive sneak peeks of what I'm working on for future videos. I'm busy restoring a bunch of vintage bikes as well as working on some sweet custom builds that I want to share with you. I'm going to try to get a new video out the door early in the morning every week, so be sure to click that notification bell and have your phone ready in the morning, so you'll have something to do while you poop. Well, there we go, and here she is in all her glory. Again, I apologize for not having a camera rolling during the build, but guess what? I got another one ready to go under the knife for next week's video. Now this guy is a 1979 that was sitting out behind some dude's barn since probably the 1980s. The tires are all rotted out, seat is gone, she's a little ratty, but the engine turned over. So therefore, through the magic of Dad, we got it running. And she's smoky. She's real smoky. So what's the next obvious step if you have a perfectly running machine? Cut off wheel and sparks, of course. So that's all the teaser I'm going to give you all this video. You'll have to subscribe and tune in next week for the rest. I've got a ton of raw footage right now of the build, so I think I'm going to have to spread this out over a series of videos. So if you have any questions or suggestions for the build or the channel in general, please give me a comment below. I'd greatly appreciate all the help I can get while I'm learning how to video edit and the whole YouTube thing in general. What I'm going to leave you with here today is a short channel trailer type of thing showing you what I got planned for future videos. Later. Alright, I hope you liked this episode of Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. Click on one of the videos here if you want to see some more, and please click on the Bigfoot button to subscribe to the channel and join in on the fun. See you next week.